Ano yung question?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Kasi, actually, to respond muna to Gino's insights, no? Actually, I guess humor. You can't go wrong with humor, diba?
As long as you're not hurting anyone in the present.
I mean, wholesome humor especially, no? Minsan ako, I find myself scrolling through mga reels. Tapos talagang minsan, pag natatawa talaga ako, 100 beses ko siyang piniplay. Kasi sobrang tawang-tawa ko. And each time, malakas din ang tawa ko. Alam mo yun, hindi nagbabago. Kasi talagang nakakatawa siya. And it's like, you know, actually, parang, it releases endorphins pa, the happy hormone. And syempre, you know, that can beat cancer or whatever, no? Can beat, health issues. Kasi pag tawa ng tawa or huwag ka naman yung tumawa yung parang nag-iisa ka lang, baka makamukha ka ng baliw. Pero yun na nga, parang it doesn't help, you know? It doesn't help. It doesn't harm, you know? Laughing at some reels every now and then just to ease off the stress, right?
Yeah, and it's fun when you're scrolling in the toilet and then something funny comes up, and you're there for like an hour. Yeah, that's
that happens to me a lot. Okay. Anyway, Philip, yun. Ang tanong kasi natin, did you do that at random lang? Yung biglang ganun nangyari? Parang, kasi si Gino parang, I just wanted to create something funny.
Yeah.
What about you? How did you start as a content creator?
Siguro, passion ko talaga yung storytelling, ma'am. Parang dati kahit kung sa school pa, mahilig ako magsulat ng script for group presentations, but not necessarily na ako main actor. I just like writing for someone else. Kasi, hard to believe I'm an introvert. I'm not so used to like people looking at me na marami like ganito. I'm very uncomfortable rin. Kaya hindi ako nakatingin sa inyo, sorry. So, yun. Tapos siguro, may mga influences sa akin sila Lloyd Cadena, yung mga early starters, sila Ryan Higa, ito yung mga YouTubers before. Na sabi ko nga, sila yung nag-open ng eyes ko na pwede ka palang mag-share ng stories mo, pwede ka palang maging celebrity without going through ABS or GMA, gano'n. Kasi ako, especially for me, nataga-Davao ako, diba? So, Manila is malayo. So, sila yung, kung kaya nilang gawin, kaya ko din. So, I started because I want to. Yung strategy at saka yung business aspect ng content creation, it came after. So, I just really started because I wanted to. Tapos nung na-realize ko na I can make money out of it, na parang brands are approaching me, nung ko lang na-realize na, okay, I could make this long term. Hindi na siya laro-laro lang. Hindi siya parang something that I do just because I want to make my friends laugh. This could actually be a work for me. So, yun.
Although you didn't expect that it would come to that point, right?
I kinda did.
You did? Diba? Alam mo yung potential niya.
Okay to think highly of yourself. Siguro lang talaga, nung simula lang talaga, alam ko lang talaga, kasi everything that I do, I really try my best. Mahal ko yung trabaho ko. This is sobrang boring nito pakinggan, pero I could proudly say na hindi lahat ng content ko online did super well, pero masasabi ko na lahat ng yun is may pagmamahal. Hindi ko siya nilabas just because I'm required to. So, siguro yun. So, siguro, to answer the question, I kind of felt na it will go the right way because I feel like sa simula pa lang, yung intention ko is gusto ko maging amazing yung work ko. If that makes sense.
So,
transparency, authentic.
Yes, guideline.
Hindi ko din na-realize na ganun pala ako as a content creator. Ngayon ko lang siya na, nga no, kasi I think at the end of the day, basta may konsensya ka lang. Hindi na siya yung life ko, parang may konsensya ka lang, alam mo yun. Pero nung minention ka siya kanina, doon ko lang din na-appreciate yung craft ko na, nga no, parang hindi ko lang siya ganun kadali. Because these are the things that you have to consider.
Tama naman. Oo. Hindi kasi initially, no, when you start creating content, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, pero siguro